White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Today we're gonna be making bacon wrapped mozzarella sticks. Let's do it. Alright, barbecue fam, so we got our bacon here and we're rolling with classic cut. You don't want thick cut, you want classic cut. You don't want it too thick because you want it to render, alright? And we're about to take these out, season them with Rack City, of course. Link is always below in the comments. This is a more savory rub than sweet. We want this bacon to be savory because we're wrapping it on mozzarella sticks. We got our Traeger preheating at 280. We're gonna smoke the bacon for about 10 minutes before we wrap it around these Mozz sticks. Then we're cranking to 325. Let's do it. As you could see, the bacon is amazing. It's exactly what you're looking for. We're gonna season a few of these strips up with that Rack City right now. Alright, so we lightly seasoned our bacon with Rack City. Ba-boom. About 5 slices is cool. I think we got 6 Mozz sticks, but 5 is plenty to fuck your diet up. So let's not do that. Let's just indulge in 5. We're gonna throw these on at 280 for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. Probably more like 5. We just want these to cook a little bit so they're easier to wrap. It's gonna be fire. And so they're a little bit done and you don't overcook the bacon on the Mozz sticks, because the Mozz sticks are going about 12 minutes at 325. Let's go. All right, now in a true display of insanity, we have some mozzarella sticks here. Yeah, buddy. Talking straight up frozen section greatness. We're gonna crank this to like 330, 335. The oven calls for 400. But who really cares what the oven calls for? We call the shots here on this channel. And let's get weird with it. The bacon's been going at 280 for like 10 minutes. I think that's perfect. Let's pull that out and wrap these. And let's throw them back on. Let's go. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be fire. Okay, now you see that bacon is like just starting to turn a little bit white. You know, it's just probably about a third of the way cooked. Alright, now we got these mozzarella sticks. I know this is ridiculous, but this is gonna be delicious. So we're about to wrap these up one at a time and throw them back on. We're letting the smoker climb to about 335. We're gonna roll about 12 minutes. So it was completely impossible to get you guys the right camera angle to see me wrapping these, but all I did was wrap them up around the mozzarella stick and I left the two sides exposed so we can kind of see where it's at and we know not to overcook it or undercook it per se with the mozzarella stick. So let's check these out real quick. We'll let them go another 10 minutes at 325. This is gonna be fire. All right, so this has been a slight audible since this is an experiment. We're actually gonna crank it from, okay, so we went 335 for 20 minutes. And they seem like they're almost about where they need to be. So what we're gonna do now is crank it down to like 250 and let it really smoke, render that bacon, and slowly cook that Mozz stick now that it's been like cooked. And I think we give it 10 minutes at 250 and we got something special, so let's do it. got some poppers. We gotta get these off of here before we lose all of our cheese, but these are ready to rock. Let's do it. Alright, so in an honest review, was it the greatest thing I've ever made? No. Was it worth it? Yes. My only tip is to take that bacon a little bit longer before you wrap it. I would even say go 15 minutes instead of 10. Mine was just barely done enough, but that's alright. It was still delicious. I still recommend it. Hit that like and subscribe. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.